Hello everyone, this is Rakshini. In our house, we'll be having big or a small a copper vessel. Then, how many people are using it in the right way? Do you know if we drink water in copper vessel, we will be saved from 100 plus diseases. Do you know benefits of drinking water in copper vessel not only written in Ayurveda, it is scientifically also proven. But nowadays we are using UV aqua filters for filtering water. But the water stored in copper vessel will be purified naturally. If you know the benefits of drinking water in copper vessel, you will also definitely make it a hobby. So let's see the benefits of drinking water in copper vessel. Before going to sleep at night, pour 3 to 4 glasses in copper vessel and drink that water without transferring into any glass. The water which we store for overnight, the atoms of the copper will be mixed in the water. But if you drink that water, our digestion will be in a better way, and acidity, gas, indigestion, etc. these kinds of diseases will not come. The bacteria named E. coli in water leads to food poison. But if we store the drinking water in copper vessel, the bacteria will be automatically killed. And the people who wants to lose weight drink this water daily to get good results. And the people who are suffering from blood pressure, diabetes should drink this water daily. And in copper, antibiotic properties will be present. So if we get hurt or wound in anywhere, will be cured fastly. And in our body, in any way, we may get cancer. But if we drink water stored in copper vessel, the properties of water will kill the cancer cells. Drinking this water daily makes your bones stronger, and knee pain will also not come. And some children will be very deactive, but if we give this water to them, they will be very active, and the working power of their brain will be increased, and remembering power and concentrating power will be increasing. Mainly for studying people, this is very important. Copper helps in your body to release melanin. Melanin will protect us from UV rays from the sun. In copper, it will be having anti-aging properties so that you can look more years with young face. And the people who are suffering from heart attack, if they drink this water, the working power of heart will be in a right way. And when woman is pregnant, immunity power is very important, because not only mother, she should keep the child also away from harmful bacteria. So if they drink the water which is stored in copper vessel is very necessary in this time. So we can save mother and child from different bacteria. Not only one, we have more benefits. So we also have to follow some restrictions. Number 1, please don't keep the water stored in copper vessel in fridge. Number 2, wash the copper vessels with lemon paste. Don't use scrubbers. Number 3, please don't drink this water more than 3 to 4 glasses. 3 to 4 glasses are good enough. So don't delay. Start this process from tomorrow itself. So to get more such useful videos, like, share and subscribe to Rakshini YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.